Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 21st August 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. This is our current affairs session. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous questions. Our first question was, who won the title sponsorship rights of IPL 2020? Vivo, Dream 11, Oppo, Reliance. The correct answer here is Dream 11. Option B is correct here. Recently, the title sponsorship rights of Indian Premier League 2020 has been backed by the fantasy gaming startup Dream 11. Okay, Dream 11 won the title sponsorship status of IPL 2020. Dream 11 got the title sponsorship rights for Rs 2022 crore. Okay. Our second question was, which state has announced to launch Padhai Tuar Para scheme? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Odisha, Assam. The correct answer here is option A, Chhattisgarh. So the Chhattisgarh government has announced to launch a student-centric scheme named Padhai Tuar Para scheme. Okay, and this scheme will enable the school students to study with the help of community in their localities and village. Chhattisgarh is in news. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel, and Anusuya Uke is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Sadbhavana Divas or Harmony Day is observed? 18 August, 19 July, 20 August, 21st August. The correct answer here is 20 August. Option C is correct here. The birth anniversary of the Rajiv Gandhi is celebrated as the Sadbhavana Divas. This year it is 76th anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. 76th anniversary of the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. And her birth anniversary is observed at Sadbhavana Divas or Harmony Day. Okay, you can see the image of Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of our India here. Also, in 20 August, India Akshaya Urja Day or Renewable Energy Day is also celebrated. On 20 August, India Renewable Energy Day also celebrated. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been launched Tri-Food project for TriFed? Arjun Munda, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is Arjun Munda. Option A is correct here. Arjun Munda, Union Tribal Minister, launched the Tertiary Processing Center of Tri-Food project of TriFed. This project is expected to help in encouraging the tribal entrepreneurship. Okay. Next question. Who launched official logo of Labour Bureau? Abhijit Banerjee, Santosh Gangwar, Amit Shah, Shaktikant Das. The correct answer here is Santosh Gangwar. Option B is correct here. Minister of State for Labour and Employment Santosh Gangwar has launched the official logo of Labour Bureau. The logo displays the three goals that Labour Bureau aspires to achieve, such as there are three goals. One is accuracy, validity, and reliability. The three things denotes in the logo. You can see here the Santosh Gangwar launching the logo here, logo of Labour Bureau. Okay. Next question. Which bank launched loan against securities and unique digital solution? PNB, Yes Bank, ICICI, SBI. The correct answer here is Yes Bank. Option B is correct here. Yes Bank has launched loan against securities. Loan against securities. Okay, is a unique digital solution. The headquarter of the Yes Bank is situated in Mumbai. Headquarter is in Mumbai, and Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO. Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO of Yes Bank. Okay. Question number 5. Who has released stamps on UNESCO World Heritage Site in India? India Post, Indian Railways, Home Affairs. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is India Post. Option A is correct here. India Post has released a set of five commemorative postage stamps and a miniature sheet on the UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. You can see the postage stamp here, published by India Post. Okay. Question number 6. Luis Abinader became new president of which country? Finland, Dominican Republic, Japan, UAE. The correct answer here is Dominican Republic. Okay, the Dominican Republic, the new president is Luis Abinader. Okay, the Luis Rodolfo Abinader has been sworn in as the 54th president of the country, and the capital of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo, and currency is Dominican peso. Okay, you can see the image of the president here. Let's see where the Dominican Republic is situated. It is a North America continent. Dominican Republic is situated in North America continent. Okay, this is our country India, and this is Dominican Republic. Okay. Next question. Angela Buxton passed away. She was related to which sports? Tennis, tennis, cricket, baseball, and football. The correct answer here is tennis. Option A is correct here. Angela Buxton recently passed away, and she was related to tennis. Okay, you can see the image of Angela Buxton here, the famous tennis player of England. Question number 8. Who has approved $1 billion loan for rapid transit system in India? IMF, ADB, World Bank. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is ADB. Option B is correct here. The Asian Development Bank has approved a $1 billion about approximately 7,485 crore. $1 billion is about 7,485 crore loan to construct the modern rapid transit system in India. It is for Uttar Pradesh Regional Rapid Transit System. Okay, ADB is in news. The abbreviation is Asian Development Bank. The headquarters of the ADB is situated in Philippines, and the CEO of ADB is Masatsugu Asakawa. Masatsugu Asakawa is the CEO of ADB. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Kotak Mahindra General Insurance ties up with whom for COVID-19 insurance for gold loan? Muthoot Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Karur Vyasya Bank. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Muthoot Finance. Option A is correct here. Muthoot Finance has ties up with Kotak Mahindra General Insurance to offer COVID-19 insurance cover up to 1 lakh against the gold loan. Okay, and Muthoot Finance, the headquarters of the Muthoot Finance is in Kochi, Kerala. And the MD is George Alexander Muthoot. Is the MD here. And Kotak Mahindra General Insurance is a news. The headquarters of the Kotak Mahindra General Insurance is situated in Mumbai, and CEO is Mahesh Balasubramaniam. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 10. Who has launched Pavitra Pati and Aushadha Tara to fight against COVID-19? ICMR, AIIMS, DIET. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is DIET, of DIET. Abbreviation is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. The Defense Institute of Advanced Technology has launched two products named Pavitra Pati and Aushadha Tara to fight against COVID-19. Pavitra Pati is a biodegradable face mask, and Aushadha Tara is the antimicrobial body suit. antibacterial body suit. You can see here the launching of the two products. Okay, and it is launched by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, Satyapal Malik appointed as new governor of which state? Our second question is, Russell Creeks passed away. He was related to which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.